Belgium's Yannik VANDEPUT. Keichi NAKAJIMA of Japan in 3, the fastest seed. Thomas Hammer of Great Britain. Joshua ALFORD for Australia in 5, and now the crowd go wild for Felipe VILA, Brazil in 6. Japan's NAKAJIMA warming up ahead of this 200 freestyle. VANDEPUT, NAKAJIMA, Hammer, ALFORD and VILA make up heat 1 of this men's 200 freestyle S14. Well, it's into a very fast stroke rate straight away for NAKAJIMA, taking the early lead in this 200 freestyle. A middle distance event, so it does need to be paced, but NAKAJIMA really wanting to set the pace fast and furious at the beginning. More of a medley specialist, but under 27 seconds at the turn. Second quicker than Thomas Hammer, the bronze medalist from Worlds last year. And this really is a cracking pace set by NAKAJIMA.
Well, he is. He's going along at such a fast rate. You wonder if he can hold it all the way. This is 4 lengths of this Olympic pool. It's not 2 lengths. This will be a good pace for a 100. But at the moment, the real roar is for Felipe VILA going in lane 6, who touches second for Brazil, but it is Hammer who's showing some fight back at a good strong turn, and he might just have overhauled the Brazilian, but I think NAKAJIMA might be tiring here, and Hammer is going to be closing a lot more quickly than NAKAJIMA would like.
Well, we talked about pacing, and here Thomas Hammer, Great Britain, showing his expertise over the 200-meter distance, because he's coming through with the final turn to go, and they are pretty much foot for foot on the wall. Hammer just with the advantage, and now this is where he shows his class. Tipped under the 30-second barrier for the third 50, and Thomas Hammer just powering away from NAKAJIMA. NAKAJIMA went out so hard. Felipe VILA trying to hold on for third. NAKAJIMA still in second at the moment, but it's Thomas Hammer who's going to win the first heat. 1:57.31, a Paralympic record for the Brit. NAKAJIMA second for Japan, and much to the crowd's delight, touching in third, Felipe VILA of Brazil. We'll have to wait and see if that's enough to get him through to the final. A new Paralympic record for Hammer, and just outside his best.
Well, I think Hammer did the smart race, the European champion who really impressed at the European Championships, a Paralympic record, as you say, with a 1:57.31. But you're going to need to be going around about 2 minutes or under, I imagine, when you consider the quality in this men's 200 freestyle S14 category to even qualify for the final. So Hammer got the time. NAKAJIMA will have a nervous wait just outside the 2-minute mark, but he paced himself to perfection in this race and still had plenty left. NAKAJIMA ran out of gas, ran out of steam, ran out of energy in the closing stages, but a American record for VILA of Brazil.
Well, as you say,